We put 5 tablespoons of sugar into the pot and bring it to a low heat to caramelize the sugar. Meanwhile, we will mix 120 grams of caramel pudding mix, which is 3 packets, with 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar to your taste. To this, we'll add some cold milk. We have 1 liter here, so I'm pouring approximately. Mix it all together to avoid lumps. When melting the sugar, it doesn't matter if lumps form, whether you stirred or not, because we'll now pour in the rest of the milk. We'll leave it like this now for the sugar to dissolve and blend with the milk, then bring it to a boil. Once all the sugar has dissolved and merged with the milk, just before the milk boils, we'll add the previously mixed caramel pudding. Stir over medium heat until the pudding thickens, then remove from heat. As soon as it's off the heat, add 150 grams of margarine or butter. Next, add 100 grams of sour cream. The sour cream won't be noticeable in this filling, but if you prefer, you can use sweet cream instead. Now stir everything until it melts and combines. This is how it should look in the end. Here I have 100 grams of milk chocolate, and now I'll pour 1/3 of the caramel filling over it. Melt the chocolate like this, wait a minute, then mix it all together. And now our chocolate caramel filling is ready. In a smaller tray, dimensions 28 by 18 or 30 by 20 centimeters, place a layer of petit biscuits. On the biscuits, spread half of the caramel pudding. Again, layer with cocoa petit biscuits. There's no need to soak the biscuits in milk, as they will soften from the warmth of the filling. Over the biscuits, spread the entire chocolate caramel filling. And on top, add the remaining caramel filling. After leveling it, place in the fridge to set, then top with chocolate or whipped cream. For decoration, I prepared chocolate whipped cream, but I whipped it lightly. I've added some ground biscuits and waited for the biscuits to absorb the excess liquid, so now I'll finish decorating the cake.